mental nila.
Okay, so, kamusta? How does it feel na finally you're here na sa Super 24? Say it.
Sobrang saya po namin kasi galing pa po kami sa malayong lugar. And makapag-compete po sa S24 naman ito ganun aming pangarap. Especially po sa mga taga-probinsya na naalala mga nila sa amin. And makapag-perform na po kayo gabi. And kalaban yung malalakas ako na nakakalitaan nyo sa talagang pangalan namin.
Nagalayan ako na. But yeah, we're real good, Kuya. Okay, second question. Since I noticed na there's an OPM song, right? So what's the info behind your routine, your concept? Like,
Ang inspiration ko sa pesa namin ay yung mga pangarapan namin. That's why po yung costume po namin, there's a 5-point course po na namin talaga sa probinsya namin. Nadala po namin sa same ngayon. So yun po yung pangarap ng grupo namin. Nakatulad po ng mga naging sa probinsya na yung pangarap nila sa dancer ay patuloy na lang nilalaban despite of the challenges and crisis na pinagdadaanan natin ngayon.
guys, kung makikita nyo ng kalamitan, they have Bible verses, iba-iba siya. Yes. So, nakikita. Yeah, ito Thank you, Kuya. So, ano na masasabi mo? Ikaw ba yung youngest? Are you the youngest here? No. Who's the youngest here? Sino po? Nakadito with ano? What's your name? Oh, ikaw lang si Uli. So, what can you say? If it's yourself that you're here, hindi mo yung parents mo wala. What can you say to all your supporters? And sa lahat na nagsusupport sa the Renaissance. Yes. Alright, thank you so much. Palapakan natin once again, the Renaissance! Alright, okay, ito na ang most awaited part ng ating competition. Let's go to the center. Center lang kayo. Pwede kayong tumingin dito, tumingin dyan, and everywhere. This time, we will be checking if there's any out-of-bounds violation. Okay, so as per our team, we are ready to see if there is or wala. Ready? Lights ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, we have a violation right here on this side. That side clear, other side clear, clear. We have a red light here. Oh, that's okay, y'all. One lang yan. Uh-oh. So again, once again, the Renaissance. So we have here, yeah. Okay, this time, we will be moving on to the selection of your blind judge. So ito yung judge na hindi magre-reveal ang score nila at hindi rin magko-comment. So who will decide? One representative. Ikaw na lang din. Okay. So, sino ang blind judge mo?
Si Coach Ronnie po.
Coach Ronnie, you are blinded. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Okay, so we have, harap na tayo doon. Since blinded na si Coach, si Judge Ronnie, we have 3 remaining judges to reveal their scores. So they will just raise their score and let's see. Ano binigay nila sa inyo? Ready na po ba? Yes? Ready? Okay, let's take some time. Okay. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, we have 15 from Judge Chis, 17 from Judge Vinny, and 18 from Judge Arda. Yes, congratulations guys! So this time, after revealing the scores, may we have one judge to give some feedback. Sorry guys, talagang nakakahilo yung stage natin. Because ang magbibigay ng comments sa inyo at feedback is si Judge Vimy. Anytime po.
Okay, the Renaissance, how are you guys? Before I give my comment, I really like it when I hear the competitors on stage. After the performance, regardless how you performed, you felt like winners already because we all know the whole process, yung buong proseso ng pagpunta dito, yung training. Once nakaapa kayo and you feel like you performed your best, panalo na agad. So congratulations na. I really appreciate the whole dynamics of your performance, the staging, the choreography, the musicality, but that's one thing, okay? I want you to work on eventually really mastering your technique and your cleanliness and the execution overall. Because I can clearly see may mga mas mature tayo na members. Overall, the creativity, the choreography, the staging, kitang-kita ko siya dito eh. But it's a different thing when you're now judging the linis, yung pagkadiretso ng mga linya, yung pare-pareho ng galaw. So, you really covered the creativity side. Now, I challenge you to really make sure to perfect your execution the next time around. But I'm happy that you feel like you've won already and you've established that on stage. Pero alam ko, malayo pa yung mararating nyo, so tuloy-tuloy lang. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Judge